Cambly learners, my name is Shelly and I'm a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today you'll be learning how to describe people. Are you ready? Let's go. Hair. She has long hair. He has short hair. He doesn't have any hair. He is bald. She has black hair. He has brown hair. She has red hair. He has yellow hair? He has blonde hair. She has gray hair. Great job. She has curly hair. He has wavy hair. He has straight hair. Eyes. She has brown eyes. He has green eyes. He has blue eyes. Great job. Facial hair. He has a mustache. He has a beard. He has glasses. He wears glasses. Great job, Cambly learners. Oh, look, it's Cam, and he wants to play a game with you. The name of the game is Guess Who. Cam will choose one person from this board, and you and I have to guess who it is. Are you ready to play? Let's go. Let's ask Cam a yes or no question. I will go first. Cam, does your person have red hair? No. It's not Jason. Bye, Jason. It's your turn to ask Cam a question. That's a good one. Cam, does your person have long hair? No. It's not Mary. It's not Helen. Bye, Mary. Bye, Helen. My turn. Cam, does your person have green eyes? No. It's not Nancy. It's not Elisa. Bye, Nancy. Bye, Elisa. Your turn. Cam, does your person wear glasses? No. It's not Diego. Bye, Diego. My turn. Cam, does your person have a mustache? Yes. Do you know who Cam chose? That's right, it's Paul. Give yourselves a hand, Cambly learners. Great job. If you're still not familiar with Cambly Kids, let me just tell you that Cambly Kids gives you instant access to amazing native English tutors who are kid-friendly, just like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.